everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I just thought I would pop in and do a really quick little impromptu video on this Sunday to remind you about a couple classes I have coming up. One class is the really cute Party Piggy, and this class is ready to go, so I'll show you those. And then I have my July class in the mail kit. Registration is open now too. So I just thought, you know what? I would just pop in and show those really quick. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So my classes are available to those that live in the United States, because that's the only place that I can send to. Now, I live in Arizona, so we get like what we lovingly say snowbirds live here. So I do have some customers from other countries, but they live here part of the year, so they can do my classes when they live here, because their class goes to their United States address. So just keep that in mind if you are a snowbird. Maybe you live in Florida part of the year, or California, or whatever, right? So I just want to let you know about that. So anyway, so I'm gonna just flip my camera for a second, because this will be a really quick video, because I'm not usually doing videos on Sunday, but I would, like I said, I thought, well, I'll just do a really quick one and say hi and let you know what's going on. All right, so close your eyes just for a second. Just getting ready to tape my videos for the week, and I had the camera out, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do this really quick. So this is my June class in the mail kit, and I have shown these before, but I'll show them again. You are new to my channel. This is the June, so it's Party Piggy bundle, and it includes the really cute Party Piggy stamp set. Oh my gosh, this little pig is so adorable. And then it includes the coordinating die, and you can see what the dies look like here. And you will get, with that, you will get your packet. So the packet includes your little palette, the supplies for all of the projects. You've got your little bling, you've got your little wobble, you have a couple of the little domes for your shaker cards, your ribbon, a little thank you note, and a business card in there. And let me show you what the projects look like. So we have this really cute one here, and this is what you'll use the wobble for, and it's the little hula piggy. And so everything is in your packet. Like you'll have your little die, your DSP pieces, you'll have your coneflower pieces that you'll make that cute little tutu out of, or hula skirt. Your little flower and your bling are in there, and then here's the inside. And then you'll use your own your own inks and all that stuff, in your stamp set and your die. Here's this cute little guy here. Now, when I saw that pig, I was like, I wonder if I turn his bum upside down, could I make him look different? And oh my gosh, he turned out so cute, because it looks like he's kind of rooting around, maybe in the dirt or whatever. He's got his bum up in the air, but it just looked so cute like that. So I just was like, oh, I'm so glad that it worked out. So make sure you play around with your dies. And then there's the inside of that one. And then this is the one you'll use the domes with and the shaker pieces. And it is so cute to add that sparkle in there. And I used some of the loose shaker elements, as well as the itty bitty bokeh. So that's how I got this combination of colors in there. So it's so cute. And then there's the inside of that one. And then you have this one. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then I just put the bling here. I just picked that because it kind of, to me, looked like maybe splatters of mud flying around. And I did add some more speckles of, excuse me, of the blends to make him look even more like a little bit dirty. And you can make them look as dirty as you want, right? And then there's the inside there. I have this little guy peeking in there. What's shaking, bacon? Excuse me. And then the last one is this fun one here on the little palette. But to me, it reminded me of something you might find on the farm. So I thought it was perfect to put this little guy on. Get a drink of water. Oh my gosh. But he is just so stinking cute. And I might even go back later and even add more muddy kind of stuff to him. But he's so fun. So you'll get, you know, the little banner in your packet, just all the pieces, and your ribbon, your bling, and that's the little palette, you know, that is in your packet. So like I said, those are ready to go. That's 62, so it includes everything that I showed here. And then you'll get a PDF with close-up pictures and a supply list, the priority postage. And then I will do a video making the projects that you can follow along with and make them at your leisure. And then you can pause it, you can rewind it, you can do it however you want. And USA only. Now, if you live in Arizona and you want to do this class and you want to pick your class up, it will save you on postage. So make sure if that's something you want, you holler at me and say, yeah, you know, I want this class, and I will be by to pick it up. And then you will, you know, you won't have the postage fee. All right, so let me put that aside. And I will show you the July. So July class in the mail is going to be the rustic centerpiece with the sunflower 3D embossing folder. Now, I have not designed this class yet, but here is the stamp set, and here is that amazing folder. Now, look how big this folder is. This folder is bigger than a regular one, although we've had this size before, but if, you know, you might not have had this one. So this is 8.5 by 6. So this is a huge folder. It is beautiful. So you'll get this folder, and then you'll get the stamp set. Now, the stamp set, see how they look here? Well, this is their 75% shrunk on the case because, you know, they couldn't get all these pictures, so they shrunk them down. But just so you can tell, like, the difference. So see this one on here? This is actually how big this is. So, this is such a beautiful set. I've been having a little bit of fun with it. I haven't designed the class yet, like I said, but I've been having some fun with it. So I already have quite a few people signed up for that. So you want to make sure you sign up as soon as you can. This class is 60, and it includes, you know, the stamp sets, 5 projects, the PDF, just like I mentioned before, the PDF with the supply list, pictures, priority postage, and then the private video link so you can make them on. Now, the registration is open now, closes when I sell out. Supplies are limited, and then these class packets won't go out till July, the week of July 28th. The piggy ones are ready to go now. All right, I think I talked about everything I wanted to talk about. I think so. I'm like looking around. All right, so yeah. So I just wanted to pop in really quick and go over that. So if you have any questions at all, make sure you holler at me. I would love for you to take either one of these classes or both. I have a lot of people that do every monthly class, and that's so great because then you kind of get your collection of stuff. Because a lot of times I will use things like the rustic centerpiece, for example. That doesn't have any greetings with it. So you will use your own greetings that you have at home, and so that's kind of nice because sometimes I'll pull from, you know, a class greeting that I did before because I'm like, well, people, you know, did this class or whatever. But you can, you know, do it however what suits your fancy. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing because I do have to start. I need to start videotaping my videos for the week. So have a good rest of your weekend, and I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist. That will be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye for now.